What's the proper way to explain the tax credit to a customer? A lot of times people don't know or understand their tax structure. That's why they hire a CPA. So I want to make it very clear in this video, you are not a CPA and you are not providing tax advice. So if customers have very in-depth questions, make sure that they consult their tax professional because you are not that. The last thing you ever want is to set incorrect expectations, and when it comes times to file, the customer is not on the same page as you are. So when the tax credit is being explained, be very, very simple. Say, Mr. Customer, here's how the math works. Your solar system costs $50,000. According to the IRS law, they will pay you 30% back in a federal tax credit for putting solar on your home. So in this scenario, you're actually eligible for $15,000 in tax credits. And how this will work is it'll be deducted against your federal income tax. Not your state tax or your property taxes, but your federal income taxes. Let's make an example. This last year you said you made $100,000. And you also said you paid $15,000 in federal taxes. Well, in this scenario actually, you wouldn't owe any taxes if you were to put solar on your home this year because that $15,000 tax credit would reduce what you owed for that year. And depending on if you withheld that money or paid it in throughout the year, you would actually receive a check of $15,000 back as well. So again, every customer scenario will be different, and understanding their tax structure and maybe asking a few questions will be important. But make sure and never promise a rebate or dollars back. Make sure you give an example and understand their tax circumstances so that you can set proper expectations for a customer. And if the customer doesn't know, make sure you refer them to a tax professional.